She waiting for dinner? Dinner. What's for dinner?
Chicken? You want chicken?
Miss Gucci, she's waiting for dinner. She's waiting for dinner. The doggies with the best dinner in the world. Oh, look at this. Oh. It's chicken with a little bit of brown rice. Doggy. Doggy's ready to eat. Give him what?
Give him another spoon of grease.
No, there's plenty. Are you ready? I'll put it down. Oh, he sees it. Oh,
come on, Shotzi. Come on.
Come. The best dinner in the whole world, isn't it, buddy?
I'm sure you'll get Mommy in her underwear, please.
I'm not.
Here, the team of strategy meeting working on that new thing down with caramel sauce and the double chocolate. And now, well, oh my God, I really believe that the frazzles are out. Her hands are shaking really badly at this point. All right, we're down to the wire, and there's absolutely no time left for this.
There is still 15 seconds to go.
Right, and now she's got some gold leaf coming out. Now that's an expensive garnish for an expensive ingredient. Her hands are great.
Okay, he's all finished. Alright. Way to go, Bookie. Bookie. What's up, buddy? Bye-bye. Boogie. Boogie. Good boy, huh? Good boy. Good boy.